guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to do this, what I would call maybe a typography worm, or whatever you see in the thumbnail, I guess. Probably reminds me of some like 90s computer screen saver or something like that. Anyways, I'm going to teach you how to do that today. Let's get right into it. First off, I like to create my backgrounds, so I'm going to get the rectangle tool. Make a rectangle that's as big as my artboard. Remove the stroke because we don't need that, and then change the background color to whatever color you prefer. I'm going to go with black. Then I'm going to press on Command plus the key 2 to lock it in place so that I can't move it anywhere. And now let's go on to the text. So press T on your keyboard or grab the type tool you can find right here. Click and write your text. I'm gonna write worms. Alright, so I'm gonna keep my text the same color as my background. It's not necessary, but that's how I prefer doing it. So you can definitely choose a different color than your background. You can just choose whichever color you want. For the text, I'm going to add a stroke color, and I'm gonna make it white. Same thing works for the stroke. You can choose whichever color you want. It doesn't have to be white. I just prefer it that way. I'm gonna add maybe 2 points to my stroke. I'll then make a copy of my text. So I'll hold down the Alt or Option key, click and drag to create a copy of it. I'll select both, then go to Object, Blend, Make. Then Object, Blend, Blend Options. Here we're going to go with Specified Steps. And you're going to add a bunch of steps till you get something like this. Press OK. Now, here's where the cool part comes in. We're going to grab our brush tool, so press B on your keyboard or press on this little icon. And we're gonna draw the path you want your worm to follow. So I'm just gonna make a squiggly line kind of like this. All right. I'll go back to my selection tool or press V on your keyboard. You're going to select both your line and your worms. And you're going to go to Object, Blend, Replace Spine. So look at this cool effect. It kind of looks like it's bouncing on the screen, and it gives it like this really cool 3D look. Now, we added a bunch of curves, so our steps look like they're less now. You can just double click here, which is the blend tool, and you can adjust these steps. So I'm gonna add probably more, probably something like this. Looks really cool to me. And that's it. It's so easy. Give this video a like, comment, and subscribe if you like this type of content. Make sure to give me a follow on Instagram and on TikTok, where I post shorter versions of these tutorials you see over here. And take a look at my new shop, Margheritavox.com. I'll put everything in the description down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon.